Hi friends, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today it's a very tasty prawn biryani recipe. Let's see how to prepare it.
For marinating the prawns, we need half teaspoon fennel powder, 1.5 teaspoon garam masala, 3 teaspoons Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 lemon, salt as much as required, and now we have to marinate it. Now we have to make these prawns into 4 pieces. It's very big. I'm going to make prawn biryani. Now we'll marinate it. Add a little bit of water. Now mix this well and marinate the prawns. Now I have marinated it and let it rest for half an hour. 1 kg biryani rice. It is jeera jamba rice I am using. After measuring the rice with the tumbler, we have to add for 1 tumbler 2 tumblers of water. Washing the rice. Wash the rice well and drain the water. I have drained the rice into a sieve. I have measured the water and added enough salt. Now I'll cover it and flame on. We'll add 3 tablespoons of ghee. And the ghee is melting. It's nice and hot, and we'll add the spices. Add the biryani leaf. The rice. And broil the rice well until the water is boiling in the other stove. Broil it well. Now the water is boiling and we'll add it and let the rice get cooked. We'll cover it and let it boil until the rice is cooked fully. Now we'll fry the marinated prawns. For that we need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, I'm shallow frying it, not deep frying. Now I will use the lid and cover it. See, the prawns are getting cooked. Now I will turn the side. Now it's ready and I'll take it. cups gravy, we need 5 big onions sliced, 5 tomatoes cut into pieces, 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 3 green chilies smashed, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon fennel powder, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and now we'll see how to prepare it. Switch the flame on, and now we'll pour 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. The oil is nice and hot, and I'm adding the onions. Here I am adding the biryani leaves. Stir them well. Now add the green chilies. Now the onion is sprouted, and I am adding the ginger garlic paste. Now mix it well. Sprout it until the raw smell goes. Now add all the dry ingredients. Fennel powder, Kashmiri chili powder, mix it. Stir them in a low flame. Coriander powder, garam masala, mix it well. Stir all these ingredients in a low flame. I'm getting a very good flavor. I have cut the prawns into smaller pieces because while frying, if we cut it into small pieces, it will be difficult to fry. So now before putting it in the gravy, I have cut it into small pieces. Now we will see when to put it. Now we'll add the tomatoes. Stir them well. Mix it well. Add salt. Add enough salt for the gravy. Mix it well. Use the lid now and let the tomatoes get cooked. Now we'll check whether the tomatoes are cooked. Yes, the tomatoes are almost cooked. And now we'll mix it. Let it get cooked more. Now we'll check the tomatoes again. Now I'll add a little bit of water and cook the gravy. I'll add few pieces of prawns to cook the gravy. I'll add half tumbler of water. Here I am adding half lemon juice. So that we get a good sour taste. Cook in a low flame. And now the gravy is ready and I am switching off the flame. And now we'll add the layers. Added one layer of rice and now I'll add the curry. Prawn curry. And now I'll add also the fried prawn pieces. Now I'll add a layer of rice. Now a little bit of gravy. Just mix it. Now I'll add the fried prawn pieces. And give it a good mix. Now the recipe is ready to serve. And I have made a salad to serve with the prawns biryani.
Hey guys, I hope so you love this recipe. Thank you for watching.